Hey guys, it's Cassie. Today I'll be reacting to a vid called
It's raining.
It's raining tacos, my version.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
I can see that. Sweet.
Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street.
Holy shenanigans. That's crazy.
Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
That was pretty cool.
Hey guys, it's Luke Hirio.
And Ryo here.
So our master is going back to doing her real life voice. So we all know that all of you really liked it when she did her TTS voice. But sometimes when she is feeling better, she will go back to using her real life voice.
I would have to agree with my dad. We all know that sometimes you all like it when our master does her TTS voice. But she's not going to want to do TTS voice all the time. She can only do TTS voice if she is either not feeling good, or just not feeling up to using her real life voice from time to time, and that is when she will use her TTS voice.
Anyways, that's all we have to say. We'll see you all soon.
Hey guys, it's Cassie. Normally I would be using my TTS voice, but since I am feeling much better, I will be going back to using my real life voice. But only when I am not feeling good or I don't feel like using my real life voice, that is when I will go back to my TTS voice. So I hope you guys will be okay with this change. Anyways, bye. And remember, don't drive like my brother.
Don't drive like my brother.
Anyways guys, that's all for this reaction video. I'll see you all in the next reaction video.